Every once in a while, something comes along that redefines how businesses, in our case microbreweries, ensure customers get their product in time. In a world run by data, it's clear that technology is being used to enhance the way we work. With over 200 Ontario microbreweries making up 21% of $250 million spent yearly on beer, it's truly amazing that they've just recently been welcomed into the beer store. By expanding into a new audience and providing flexibility to existing customers, the challenges surrounding shipping and production are entering a new era. Introducing BeerTrack, an inventory management and production planning solution that, as you'll soon see, is specifically designed to tackle this era.
In the business environment that we operate in today, every aspect of it is constantly changing and is only becoming more complex. Companies like breweries who want to succeed have to be able to adapt to those changes. In order to expand in an industry such as this one, they must make use of modern techniques and tools. Data and information is becoming very valuable in making decisions. It can only help microbreweries understand their sales data and better cater to customers in a cost-effective manner. Through the implementation of our business intelligence and decision support systems, we provide brewers the ability to make key decisions. With the click of a button, breweries are able to forecast when to produce their beer, to meet shipment deadlines, and then effectively deliver that beer to its destination. Our algorithms leverage real data gathered through the beer store's data warehouse to power an inventory shipping and production planning model. With the ability to sign in from any device with an internet connection, a brewer can create an account and sign in. We've done our best to make the process of customizing BeerTrack to your brewery's unique needs as smooth and fluent as possible. On that initial login, a user defines the specifics about their brewery and indicates what beers they brew. BeerTrack is linked with the beer store's database, making it easy to associate your brewery with its corresponding beers at the beer store. BeerTrack even supports retail locations that aren't under the beer store umbrella. As we understand, breweries may have seasonally operated locations or unique partnerships in that area. For this reason, we've built in the process of customizing your list of beers and retail locations into BeerTrack. At the core of BeerTrack is an intuitively designed dashboard. The dashboard is essential to the user's experience and provides a central location to analyze the day-to-day activities of a brewery. Brewers have the ability to see important metrics through multiple unique widgets, while being able to quickly navigate between other sections of the platform. Right out of the box, BeerTrack's dashboard shows yesterday's sales, inventory levels, beer store locations, and much more. As you'll observe throughout this presentation, we've been able to incorporate all of these metrics into an impressively clean and fluid design, making for what we think is a world-class user experience.
A question many companies face is, how much do I ship for tomorrow? Furthermore, how do I make sure I have enough inventory to ship? Due to uncertainty about what to expect in the future, predicting for it is a daunting task. Many try to manually chart data and look at patterns to make predictions, but end up running out of inventory or having way too much. With BeerTrack, we truly optimize the way that these questions are answered. With all retail locations and beers added, BeerTrack will automatically begin parsing and storing sales and inventory information in its data warehouse for your beers. By automatically fetching data directly from the retailer, we're able to eliminate many issues that are faced with bullet effect in the supply chain. Using this data, we account for trends while reducing the effect of noise by implementing the familiar methods of linear regression and moving averages to make an accurate prediction. With these powerful models built into BeerTrack, we're able to use all of the data that you want to predict sales for the date you want, with all a small series of button clicks. That's right, no need to harvest data, cleanse it, or build a model. We've done all that for you so that you never have to do it again. The best part is how this model provides these insights for every one of your products at every store with all of their details at a glance the minute you press run. With this, production for that day can easily be found for that beer as one elegant number. At BeerTrack, we're reimagining how you see the future. For many microbreweries, just the task of making deliveries to retail locations is incredibly daunting, as it can require a significant amount of time and work to accurately predict the sales for each store. When we combine BeerTrack's ability to forecast sales with its built-in shipment planner, we're not only able to help brewers ship to the most accurate volumes of beer, but we empower their team to complete the deliveries in the most efficient way possible. When a brewer initiates a new shipment plan, BeerTrack retrieves the most recent sales and inventory information from its data warehouse and presents it to the brewer in an easy-to-use table. Therefore, giving the brewer the most recent business intelligence to help them make a decision around the best quantity to deliver. Based on information provided by the Beer Source database, BeerTrack can optimize the process of completing a brewery's deliveries by leveraging the Google Maps API to determine the most effective route which visits each of the retail locations. Most importantly, BeerTrack provides an easy and intuitive method for a brewer to output this complete manifest and delivery schedule in a simple report, designed specifically for the delivery drivers completing these deliveries. We built BeerTrack with brewers in mind. We wanted to provide them with an easy-to-use platform that can be effective for analyzing their brewery's data, making decisions, and in some cases, going as far as making those decisions for them. Keeping that in mind, we chose the most flexible environment we could think of to host our system, the web. Leveraging the power of Heroku, one of the world's leading platform as a service providers, we built BeerTrack so that anyone with an internet-connected device can access it and take advantage of the data and decisions it can provide. With built-in support for tablets and desktops, we're confident the process of onboarding a brewery should be anything but a process. Our approach was simple. Identify the barriers of entry associated with a microbrewery attempting to enter the beer store, talk to breweries to get an idea for what they saw as the biggest challenges, and determine which of those challenges we could attempt to solve. With a solid foundation built, we began to build out the specific functionality while constantly iterating on what we've already completed in order to ensure the smoothest of user experiences. Based on the work done so far, I hope you agree that BeerTrack is well on its way to becoming the leading enterprise resource planning tool for Ontario microbreweries. Whether using BeerTrack or another system, we strongly encourage all microbreweries to implement some form of an enterprise resource planning system. Of course, we're a little bit biased to BeerTrack, but as supporters of all microbreweries, just the benefits in forecasting and distribution planning alone you'll find should be enough to illustrate the incredible value this type of system holds.